In today's video, I will walk you through how to find new upcoming coins and tokens on Coinmarketcap. To find new upcoming coins and tokens on Coinmarketcap, open Coinmarketcap and go to the main page. On the top navigation bar, you will see different sections available. Select the calendar option from the top menu. Inside the calendar section, you can find different categories for cryptocurrency projects. Click on the ICO Calendar option to view upcoming, ongoing, and ended projects. Here you can see the ongoing projects that are currently available. The page shows different projects along with the remaining time before they are released. To find new upcoming coins and tokens, select the Upcoming Projects section. This will display the projects that are scheduled to be released on CoinMarketCap. You can review the list of upcoming coins and tokens shown on this page. Each project will display information such as the project name and the time remaining until it becomes available. For example, you can see projects with different release times, such as projects launching in minutes, days, or several days. Scroll through the list to check the available upcoming projects. You can also view more projects in the list to find additional upcoming coins and tokens. Continue scrolling to check the different projects that are scheduled to be released. If you want to check projects that have already finished, select the Ended Projects section. This will show the projects that have already ended on CoinMarketCap. To find new upcoming coins and tokens, use the ICO Calendar section and check the upcoming projects list. Review the projects displayed there to find coins and tokens that will be listed on CoinMarketCap. This is how you can find new upcoming coins and tokens on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.